出国那个 Schlemm 就有农山起码。
We have said that with the first dose, 70% coverage. So even with the first dose also, they will write down, okay, and they will paste that they have been vaccinated. Okay, and if in case anybody who is not vaccinated and he writes down or she writes down that vaccinated, there will be checkpoints all along. We can verify. Just by seeing the name also, we can verify whether they are really vaccinated or not. We have already activated the CCMTs. Now the village health and sanitation committees also, we have already activated these committees. At the same IEC materials, IEC which we have gone in full strength here in the urban areas, especially Shillong, the same thing we are following. And the protocols and the advisories which we have advocated all along. Now we have already activated our doctors in the PEC, CHCs and the sub-centers with the ANMs there, that they go out to the people along with the frontline workers, that is Asha and Anganwadi, to make aware to the people, especially in the village, how this can be prevented and how to protect themselves. That we are doing. And I think the same method which we are doing here in the urban areas, the same thing which we are going down to the rural areas also now. Are infected with Delta variant. That I cannot give that thing right now. I cannot say. But what we suspect is that most of the cases we have found that they have been infected with the virus, which we call it the virus of concern, variants of concern.